It's important to prepare and clean both the outside and inside surfaces of the door windows before film application. Removing all dirt and contamination will ensure a successful installation. Additionally, you'll need to prep any side door gaskets to avoid problems during film application. Procedure 1. Prep and clean outside window. Spray the outside of the door window with solution and clean. Use a white scrub pad if necessary. Squeegee clean, then wipe clean with paper towels. Procedure 2. Prep and clean inside door window. When taping back felt gaskets, use at least a 1-inch piece of tape to make it easier to remove. If the gasket is rubber, roll down the window and clean with solution and paper towels. On framed windows, roll the window down 2 to 3 inches and clean the inside of the window thoroughly with a white scrub pad and solution. Spray the window again and clean in between the gaskets and the glass with an Olfa knife. Make sure to wipe the Olfa between strokes to wipe off any dirt. Spray the interior of the glass with solution and scrape the window with a 1-inch razor blade. Spray the window again and wipe the top edge with a clean dry towel and proceed to squeegee, starting in the center and working out to the sides, then downward motions. Make sure to wipe off the squeegee between strokes to eliminate any particles. Roll the window up and spray the bottom section of the window. Scrape the bottom section and gaskets with a 1-inch razor blade. Spray the glass again and squeegee from the top, and wipe the tool between strokes with a paper towel. Always wipe the sides of the window along the door panel. Just prior to installation, do the final cleaning of the window. Roll the window down into installation position and spray with solution one more time. Wipe the top edge with a clean towel and squeegee clean.